If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making NADIA BARA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take some fennel seeds, cloves, black cardamom and black pepper in a blender and blend to make a powder of it, from which we need about a tablespoon of that. Then take about 1 inch long ginger in a pestle and roughly crush it. It will really enhance the flavor. Then half a cup of rice flour, half a teaspoon of turmeric or haldi, 1 cup of grated coconut and some salt to taste. Now in a bowl, take all the coconut followed by all these ingredients. Then combine these really well. Then to the mixture, add about quarter cup of water and by hand combine these really well to form a dough. Then take a small portion like this and shape it like a ball first. Then with the help of your fingers, flatten it a little, not too much, just like this. Now similarly make others for frying. So for that, take lots of ghee or oil in a pan and set the flame on high and slide them one by one. These won't take too much time, so when they are golden in color, remove them from the pan and they should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, NADIA BARA. So do try this at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.